Bridge India's Ideas for India conference here in London, and with me is Pradyot Manika, the only politician that has made all the way here to London from the northeast, holding the banner of all the seven sisters of India right here. Tell us how important it is for us to talk about the northeast, and why has not the northeast been forgotten?
Seven sisters, and you have to include Sikkim now, so that's the 8th state. The idea of coming to London was that this entire idea about India is largely restricted to the mainland, or at best it stops at Bengal. So it's very important for us, the indigenous people, the tribals of the northeast, also to come out and speak. Trade is only dealt largely in big cities or bigger states, and if we have to look at the possibilities of Britain investing in India, we should also look at the northeast. Chinese are not allowed to invest there. The Japanese have invested, but if you look at eastern boundaries, it's far more amiable. We are connected through Myanmar, we are connected with Bangladesh, we are connected with Bhutan, we are connected all the way till Thailand if you take the Stillwell Road. So if Britain needs to come in, then they should definitely look at sustainable tourism, green energy, they should look at education, and they should definitely look at healthcare. The British had an influence in the northeast for a very long time, pre-independence, and even today most of the schools there which were open till Darjeeling have been actually opened up by the missionaries or the hospitals like the Welsh Mission, the Nazareth. So there is a connection, and that connection needs to now be expanded furthermore.